Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to factory reset iMac. You use this option when you want to give this computer to someone else or if you have forgotten your password. So the first thing to do is you're going to click on the Apple logo and then choose shutdown. Click on the shutdown and then wait for your computer to shut down. Wait until it's shut down completely, and then on your keyboard you want to click on Command S, holding that one and then holding the Command S and then restart your computer or click on the power button. So I'm holding the Command S and then I'm gonna click on the power button. Once everything is loaded, you want to hit enter and then you want to type in this command. It's MOUNT space dash UW and then space backward slash. I will make sure to put these commands in the descriptions as well as you can see it on the screen, and then you hit enter. Then you type in rm dash var dash db dash dot apple setup done. Okay, and then you want to hit enter and then that's it. So you type in shutdown SHUTDOWN space dash H space now and then hit enter. This will take a couple of seconds and your computer will restart. Okay, it depends on how much data you have on your computer. The time will depend on that, but let's wait for this one, and once this is done we will be able to see a fresh operating system on the iMac, and then we can set up everything from the beginning. Alright, so as you can see the screen is going black right now, and there we go. We are here for the Mac OS. This is how you would set up for the first time. So let's quickly set up this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if it's your first time, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.